Hi traders, Wale here, the lead contributor for Wolstreet Finance. What I'll be doing in this video is to walk you through a live trade on a real account and explain the thought process running through my mind when analyzing the chart.
Can you see the same pattern? Same pattern from here, these two candlesticks on Euro card. Can you see it on GBP card? Let's go back to GBP card. Can you see?
In case you don't know, I frown at indicators. I don't think they work and I have stopped using them a long time ago. The reason is because indicators always lag. Think of it this way: a comedian steps into a pub, cracks a jaw-breaking joke, everyone laughed at the joke except for Peter, the friend you went to the show with. Hours later, Peter is in the bathroom having a good shower. The joke kicked in Peter's head and he laughed out loudly. Yes, Peter is the indicator. Indicators always get the joke late. And I hope you get the point. So what I use instead of indicators is pure price action analysis. I use candlestick analysis, I use liquidity block orders, I use fundamental analysis, I use multiple time frame analysis, and I will teach you how to do exactly that in this video. But before we get into that, I want you all to know that my Telegram channel has been hacked. I woke up 2 weeks ago, tried to log into my Telegram channel that has over 130 members, but got a notification that my number has been banned. And I sent a message to the Telegram support email. 2 days later, my friend called me to tell me someone is sending scam messages on Wolstreet Finance Telegram channel. Apparently, the person blocked my number from accessing the channel, but my friend could access the channel. He sent a screenshot of what the person has been sending on the group. Please do not fall for such scam. Wolstreet Finance will never approach you first. I don't offer any investment package or advice, and I don't manage people's funds. As of now, I am not on Telegram. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out through any of my emails. I have wolstreetfinance@gmail.com and I have wolstreetfinance@wolstreetfinance.com. You can reach out to me through any of those emails. Also, I would put in the link of this particular video my direct WhatsApp number, so you can message me directly on WhatsApp. That being said, let us cut right to the chase. We have a strategy to learn.
And you are now about to feel the strength of street knowledge.
Alright, traders. Yes, I have some trades running. I have sold the card JPY. Let me show you my entry. Yes, this is where I entered the sell trade from. Here, and price has been dropping. I am also on the GBP card. This is where I entered the GBP card trade from. I am in money. Can you see sniper entries on both card JPY and the GBP card? Can you see? Sold here, GBP card, bought here. And lastly, I'm on Euro card. I bought here, sniper entry. One of the things I'm committed to doing on this channel is to walk you through the thought process behind my trades. I would add more positions to these running trades, and I'm going to take new trades. By the way, we are currently up $162 on this account, and it is a funded account. Yeah, $5,000 funded account. I have made money on this account, 289. I've withdrawn 282. I am currently $162 in blue, and I want to take this account to profit target of over $500 for this month. Okay, now the thought process. I considered two things before taking this trade. For the GBP card, it was based on the fundamentals and on the technical. From the fundamental point of view, okay, let's go to trading view. Wow, did you see the pond there? From the fundamental point of view, let's go to trading view. Okay, that's okay. Let's look at this trade from the fundamental point of view. I'm going to go to Forex Factory. At the beginning of this month, the Bank of England hiked their interest rates. They hiked it by 25 basis points from 5% to 5.25%, or you can call that a 0.25% increase. So what that means is that if a country hikes its interest rates, yields in the debt market of that country would increase. Foreign portfolio investors and local investors will be willing to invest more in the economy of that country, so the currency of that country would appreciate. That is an indication that GBP is going to go up, and that was why I took the buy trade. But that's not enough. You have to marry the fundamental with the technical. From the technical point of view, let's go back to trading view. See the formation of these two candlesticks on the monthly time frame. If you have read my book, you would have seen this pattern. These two, this shows signs of bullish momentum. Price would keep going up to this level on the monthly time frame. Well, I took the entry on the hourly time frame. Yes, I started buying here. You saw it here, right here. And like I said, I'm going to add more position to this trade to maximize the return on the trade. Once market opens, I'm going to stack more buy orders, and I'll ride the trend till it gets here. On the 1 hour time frame, let me show you my take profit level. It will be here. This swing high. So I started buying here. So here, let's see how many pips. 400 pips. Yes, it's possible. One of the hallmark of any good trader is patience. You have to be patient enough to allow your trade breathe. That's that on GBP card. I will add more position. Then on Euro card, let's go there. I started buying here. Euro card was based on technical, not fundamental. So let's go to Euro card. Can you see the same pattern? Same pattern from here. These two candlesticks on Euro card. Can you see it on GBP card? Let's go back to GBP card. Can you see? You have to read my book. I have a lot of patterns that can give you signal, potential signal. Not a certain, but based on over 10,000 hours of studying the chart, I discovered some of these patterns. Anyways, moving on. So on Euro card is the same thing. That was what informed my buy decision on this trade, and I'm going to take profit somewhere here. Started buying here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame so that you can see better. They're buying around here, and market is currently here. Let's go to the charts here. I started buying here, and price is here. How many pips is that? Let's calculate. So I'll use the crosshair to drag it from here where I started buying. Market is currently here, which is 193 pips. I've secured 193 pips on this trade, and I'm going to ride the trade to this level, 323 pips. On the GBP card, I'm going to add more positions. There's still a lot of space to be filled here. We still want to buy it all the way up here, so price will still fill all these spaces. And on the card JPY, let's see. Let me show you. JPY. Yes. So they're selling here, and that's because on the monthly time frame, again, if you've read my book, you would have seen this candlestick pattern. Price is going to go all the way down here, and that was what informed my selling decision. On this one, well, I'm still going to add more trades because this candlestick is a liquidity candlestick. What I'm looking for here is break of structure for me to add to my position. So I want price to break this support, this one. Once price taps into this zone, I am going to add more sell entries for another 100 pips movement. I would exit the position here. That will be my take profit. So guys, those are the trade ideas, and again, I'm going to add more trades. I'll be adding the GBP CHF to my position. I am going to buy the GBP CHF once market opens, and I will keep buying till this level. There are a lot of buyers at this level. Can you see? Price has been moving in range, but again, this is on the weekly time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, can you see it's a lot? Just from here to here, let's see how many pips that is. Here, 330 pips is a lot. I would enter the trade. I'm going to buy the GBP CHF. Okay, it's not too late to enter the trade, so I'm waiting for market to open. I will start the trade and I would carry you along. Remember, the profit target is $500 or more. It's possible, it's doable, and I am hoping I would do it. Bye for now. I would give you update. Alright guys, the market has opened, and like I said, I'll be adding more position to the GBP card pair. That was the agreement, right? I would still buy, so let's buy. Can you see I've entered the first one, I've entered the second buy, and I've entered the third buy. So let's leave it at that. Where are we going to take profit here? Actually, I think I can still enter one more. Yes, I can still enter one more. There's already a break of structure here. And you see price has already broken this structure, so we are going up. We are going to ride this trend all the way up. Don't worry, I will set the take profits to be the same with all these ones. But in order not to waste your time, I think I'll just do that one back end. I will do for the remaining, but you get the point. I'll just, set the take profit now. Yeah, exactly. So I'll do for the remaining. Also on the card JPY, remember what I said? That I will sell. So let me add to the sell position. Okay, sell, and the take profit will be here. Just 100 pips. Yes, I would set the second take profit. Don't worry, we are still going over the trade. We can also enter the GBP CHF trade. Yes, support level, demand zone, price is going up. Let's start buying the GBP CHF here. So let's buy 0.02 bot. Okay, let's buy again. Yeah, a bot. Remember I said our take profit will be somewhere here, so let me just copy this. Okay, yeah, so we want to ride the trend all the way up here, which is like how many pips? Almost the 70 pips. It's fine. So guys, there we have it. I would give you an update on this trades, the trades we have running. Okay guys, this is an update on the trades that we have currently running. The GBP card, we are almost approaching take profit level. Take profit is here and price is currently here. So far so good. We have crossed the $500 profit target, and currently we have bagged how many pips in profit here? For 21 pips in profit. So GBP card is going pretty well. The next one is Euro card. Okay, we started buying here, price is currently here. How many pips do we have in profit? To 44 pips. Here again, we are running deep in profit on the Euro card. On the GBP CHF, can you still remember the trade? We started buying here, price is currently here. Nothing much has happened on the GBP CHF. We are currently 84 pips in profit. That is on GBP CHF. But we have a losing trade. This one, card JPY. We are currently losing on card JPY. We sold here and price has retraced back. We sold here also. Now price is currently here, so we are currently incurring loss on the card JPY. But overall, we are in profit. The profit target was $500. We've even exceeded the profit target.
You know what, guys? I think I'm just going to close the whole trade. We've met our profit target. It's a lot of trade, and I will just close everything back end. You have to decide whether you want to make money or you want to be right. I think I want to make money, so I'll just close everything. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. That is the end of the video. If you want to purchase my book, where I have several of these proprietary candlesticks, I call them the ball hedger candlestick patterns. I will leave the link to get the book in the description of this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in the video. That is a push for me to keep publishing free trading content here. Also follow my IG page, my TikTok account, my Twitter handle, and my Facebook page. I have exciting content coming up on those platforms shortly, and I will leave the link to follow all these social media platforms in the description of this video. Till I come your way again, signing out, your boy, the boy hedger. Bye bye.